Mama wakwaba, wafreme Adjoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Ora Alote Jacobs, former Central Regional Chairman, Dema NDC Amayoko no ede ensem bia betudwa. Na ensema Ora Alote Jacobs ede abetudwa no NDC 40 no abomu hu omo sheki a omo etrese na asem we de eyampade a ene na 2024 asem out ye papa eden sem na Ora Alote Jacobs abeka anasode abetudwa o kire se Honorable Haurna Iddrisu secretly or support Vice President Dr. Bawumia say Omeye President 2024 na onto His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo na membu no so na ebusuafo denti na Ora Alote Jacobs kire Honorable Haurna Iddrisu support Vice President Dr. Bawumia yebeka ya Honorable Haurna Iddrisu ono na oye minority leader ewo Parliament House dema NDC Amayoko no na yenim ne ka NDC for a omotena ase adwen ho asusu hu se dabi Honorable Haurna Iddrisu omboa yen ewo Parliament House nti omo sake no ede ye Honorable Ato Forcing ebe replace no na Ora Alote Jacobs express sade na NDC for eye no asat now eyade a edaso eye Honorable Haurna Iddrisu ya oye papa na yede ni etrem ewo Northern Region so a Honorable Haurna Iddrisu notness no omo value no o te say nyame ede e ma notness no omo ndi no ho ago kra enti NDC for asema ato omo se Honorable Haurna Iddrisu eyi nanim se o support Bawumia ene na NDC party no egu kwata yenti ensema Ora Alote Jacobs ede atudwa
NPP candidates because our candidates are ufi NDC mun they are so close with the people, especially Haurna Iddrisu. Now, what has happened to Haurna Iddrisu? We invoke the spirit of loyalty behind Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Haurna Iddrisu?
Yes, being removed as the leader of the minority in parliament.
But what?
The party. Look, Haurna, as you see him, is an idol.
You mean idol?
Idol. It's an idol.
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 Because idol, you're different.
No, but you see, the American will tell you idol.
Yeah, idol. Not
will tell you idol.
Not idol.
Idol.
In your title?
Kwame.
Alote.
He is highly so respected that what he says within that tamale from Nanton, Savelugo Adeba, Mobaka or a final. And see, his removal and Angazan, why you infuriate the Dagomes? We believe there are. And see, NDC award today, NDC is becoming anti-Dagoma.
Why are we looking at the tribal?
I'm telling you the politics.
Okay.
I am telling you the gospel truth. There, say NPP for what the one maximum support was the Bawumia, there's trouble for the largest opposition party. No two ways about it. Bear also in mind, even in Bono East, majority now will go on when you Bono for were notness. Even when you go to Oti region, so why in Chumuru ya or ya Pasa, and then there Congo Pasafuna or a Congo mess. Now you want a worries. And see, you are looking at something now. Don't come me. I don't know really those who were behind when you are paying Allen. But I'm happy. Sometimes you come soon or they and stay here. Excuse as him who will be made to me at Haisha, then we all go along with it. But destiny has initiated its own move. Man, may yet in there, Alana Conchan. Now all the support is for the four. Ken, you're my very good friend. A very, very good friend. To me, he's a very good man. To some people, the temperament or different is how you see him. But I'm most support to Bawumia because I see him as the best material that can change the Ghanaian perception, that can change the Ghanaian dynamics, that can change a lot of things in our political space. And see, Inyuma,
Me.
for Ashanti region to give its support to Bawumia, Eastern region to give its support to Bawumia, and you have these 5 regions.
But,
boy, oh boy.
But Ebimo say onye the region per se, or leadership be, and that it will not trickle down. Ain't Mami and Canada Ashanti supports now. What's it? The so-called grassroots one vote, you know, are different.
Fine.
Ality.
Germany has a tete outside. Mini the Kantangbeji. The same thing and also kind. Mortgagean TV to poor there. Or swear by the following Saturday, Saturday 7 o'clock, results in will favor Alan in Greater Accra.
No.
No OBT Alan. But he did so well. He did so well. Of all the coordinators in all the 16 regions, only no 2 more show there.
Commitment,
He's on the ground. That makes you one way or the other there. Your constituency is assured. Gary,
Ality.
or your political rhetorics. Saman Fubane or Bagachi or there is the grassroots. Mr. Kwame, Sebi, Penison. Kwame, Samanfu, Ochuchane Rasta Kakra, no woman go to Moshe. No.
We na Midibi and Pacho, Sister Diana, wait to me day. We na to 15th May 2015. Yankwe. This is my last piece of a year, Medeche. 8 surprising consequences of Ghana's outages. Muntie. It's funny. Ghana has experienced power outages for the last 3 years, making them the longest the country has experienced. Here are some consequences you may not have expected. So unexpected consequences. It's funny, Keke. Listen to what they listed. Listen to what these people listed. Very, very funny. Annoying buzzing. Or say, when you walk through central Accra, you hear this annoying buzz. It's like the buzz of a mosquito in your ear. It comes from all the businesses that are using generators. The more expensive generators are quiet, but the many places can only afford the cheaper ones. It's one of them, or it's one of the issues. Yankobiu. Papa we yatu nidi Mr. Dumso. Nidi obenya ayeno Mr. Dumso. John Dramani Mahama. Yankobiu we. Afe yasi family time. Yasi less football time with the boys, more talking with the wife. A female friend told me that now there is no football. Enti Ghana for na mo to my bet na mo bo aban we tiri so no. John Dramani Mahama time nanka wuntumi mo my bet no. Ufo no kura yedum. TV na nkomo de bebo bo no ye ni light ya ye de be ye. Into bed ye twa my bet. Also, a female friend told me that now that there is no football on TV, she has suddenly become more attractive to her husband. And now TV no ne ho abaye nukuna kono. Okay? Now she said, we play our own games. And yes, that is euphemism. That's what he says. All right. Coming from Euphoria. Yanko. Ebio. Babies were delivered by phone lights. The Ediba Yenibi no Dumsono. Babies were delivered by phone lights. Some hospitals don't have the money to constantly run generators. So when the lights have gone out, midwives have